A female attendee was gunned down in a brazen daylight shooting in the Johannesburg CBD on Monday morning in what witnesses believe was a targeted killing. The incident unfolded shortly after 9 a.m. at the corner of Fox and Jowood Streets near the offices of the Commission for Conciliation, Mediation and Arbitration. According to witnesses' accounts, the victim had just parked her vehicle and was walking towards the building when the attacker struck, and said he came very close to her and fired. She was shot in the head multiple times. Another bystander reported hearing at least 4 gunshots ring out, sending pedestrians scrambling for cover in the busy city center. 2 suspects believed to have fled the scene on foot before entering a waiting getaway vehicle, while authorities have yet to officially confirm the victim's identity. Preliminary information suggests she was involved in a labor dispute case at the CCMA. The matter reportedly related to retrenchment payouts in the mining sector. Colleagues and regular visitors to the area described her as a familiar and committed legal practitioner known for representing workers in cases involving unfair dismissals and unpaid wages. Police sealed off the crime scene for several hours as forensic teams combed the area for evidence. The victim's body was removed just midday. No arrests have been made, and police have not yet issued an official statement. The killing has once again raised alarm over the safety of legal professionals and members of the public and around Johannesburg's legal presence, with investigations into the motive and perpetrators ongoing. What's your take on this one, people? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.